back to another episode of Hoosierback Outdoors. We need to find the razor episode. Been a while since I've shaved. Me and Michelle are down here at the creek, and I hadn't even started my intro yet. I put her a little Castmaster silver spoon on, cast it out, and pull in this little fellow, little spotted bass. But we're gonna do a little fishing here today. We'll take you guys along with us. Michelle hasn't got a fish yet this year, so we're gonna try to get her on a fish. Well, I had to come relieve myself, and Michelle, look over, and she's pulling in a fish. It looks like a smallmouth. We'll get down here and see. Did you get? Oh yeah. I'm gonna go get my pliers, or can you get it?
I mean, you'd think I'd be able to, but for some reason I can't.
Might have to do some surgery on this little feller.
Freaking thing, like he kept chomping down on my thumb.
Got it. Oh, he's bleeding now.
Will it survive?
Yeah. What a nice little fish.
Oh, it's bleeding really bad.
Yeah, he's bleeding a little bit. He'll be all right. He'll be all right. Let's get him back in the water so he can survive. You gonna be all right, buddy? There you go. He's good. Good deal. Congratulations.
My first fish this time.
Got a little wacky rig with little Texas rig style sinker on here to get it down to the bottom. Got it. Woohoo! Oh, this is a nice one. Nice fish. Oh, nice. No, 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 no. Don't jump. Nice fish. Nice smallmouth. Nice smallmouth. Come back here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. He's hooked good. He wasn't going nowhere. What a nice fish. What a good looking smallmouth. I'll take that all day. All day. Let's release this little feller. Thank you for the fight. That was a lot of fun. A lot of fun. There you go. Oh. Oh, wrong spot.
Uh-oh. It unstuck itself.
Got him. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Stay on there. Woohoo! Smallmouth for days. That is a rock bass. That is a huge rock bass. Wow.
Like, has it got eggs in it?
No, it's just a big rock bass.
Really chubby.
Wow, what a fish. What a fish.
Oh, you have to sit down there?
Yep. Nice rock bass. Look at that size of my hand. That's a good looking fish. That is a fat rock bass. That is a big rock bass. Wow. I love it. There you go. Just like that. Got him. Ah, got another one. Another rock bass. Yep. Another fat rock bass. Well, there, just take off there, buddy. Set yourself free. Got him. Oh, oh! That was a nice fish. He was pulling so hard. That was in the current. Wow, that stinks. Try it again.
Babe, I see an eagle.
Where?
All the way at the end, it's perched up. As far as your eyes can see, there's this little tree thing.
Yeah, I see it. Is that an eagle?
Yeah, because I just seen him land. His butt's white and his head's white.
I'm gonna go get my camera and zoom in on it. I hope me moving don't scare you. Oh, I see him. No.
I mean, that's definitely not a big one, but
Yeah, that's about a 4-year-old, at least 4-year-old adult.
I think that's adorable.
Yeah, oh yeah. Oh, there he went. He flew. Did you see that? That was cool. Last year I got 2 different eagles on camera. And this year, that's the first. We've been catching some fish here. Having a good time. It is so calm and beautiful down here. Well, I think we're done here tonight. Thanks for joining us. We hope to see you next time. But until next time, get out there and enjoy the outdoors.